Are you lost? Do you need to get somewhere? Then you need to ask for directions.
Well, Google Maps is a great tool for that.
Well, yes, but what if you don't have a phone? Or what if your phone doesn't have any battery? Or what if there is no internet? Or there's no map?
Then you need to ask for directions.
Exactly. So let's look at some questions that you can ask when you need directions.
Okay.
Can you please tell me how I can get to Oxford Street? Where is the nearest pharmacy? How can I get to the local market? I'm trying to get to Green Street. How do I get to the school? What is the best way to get to your house? Where's the park? Can you tell me, please?
You know, in some countries, they give directions using the cardinal points. North, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest.
I find that very confusing.
Yes, that's why we're going to talk about left, right, straight ahead, or around the corner, for example.
Okay, so let's do it.
How do we get and give directions? Let's look at the map. Imagine that you are here in the middle of the street.
That's Redwood Street.
Yes, and you want to get to here.
That's Pine Tree School for the Arts.
Yes, you can ask,
how do I get to Pine Tree School for the Arts?
From here. Very good.
Hey, hi, I'm looking for the Pine Tree School for the Arts. Oh, can you give me directions?
Of course.
Ah,
Where are you?
I'm over here, having coffee.
Okay, so you have to go straight down Redwood Street.
Okay. Lo. Oh.
Now take the second street to your right.
Ah, I don't take Lover's Lane?
No, cross Lover's Lane.
Lo. Here?
That's University Avenue. Turn right.
Oh, okay. Lo. And now?
Now you see a roundabout.
Mm-hmm.
Take the third exit.
1, 2, 3. Here?
That's Pine Street. Go straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Lo.
Past the soccer field.
The soccer field. Lo.
And that purple building is Pine Tree School for the Arts, next to the pharmacy.
Wow! Thank you so much. I found it. I'm going inside. Bye-bye.
Okay, now my turn. Ask me how to get somewhere. Come on. Okay. I'm trying to walk to the train station from here, the English with Us studio. Can you tell me the way, please?
Of course.
Oh, hello. I need to get to the train station. Could you give me directions, please?
Sure. Where are you?
I'm over here at the English with Us studio.
All right. Take King Street all the way up to Broadway Avenue.
King Street. Oh, what a lovely park.
All right. You want to turn right onto Broadway, but you need to take the crosswalk.
Thank you. Oh, the crosswalk. Green.
Continue walking on the sidewalk down Broadway Avenue, past the mall, past the parking, and the street is going to curve left. Curve left and turn right onto Olivia Drive. But make sure again you use the crosswalk with the traffic light.
Thank you. Crosswalk. Green.
Pass the car shop. Go to the next traffic light because the train station is right opposite to you. Cross.
I found it. Oh, thank you so much. You're very helpful. You give very good directions. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.
Bye-bye.
That was great. Hey, where are you going? To the train station. Bye. Okay, bye. Why don't you practice giving directions? You can draw your own map and use some toys. Bye. English